We're in Scandic Hotel now, and we came in early, so we will just leave our suitcase.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. We've just kept our stuff in the what do they call it? In the luggage room because we're early, and this is what it looks like. It's beautiful, right?
Yes.
Hey guys, I hope you all are having a wonderful day. So in today's video, we're in Helsinki in Finland. In light of my birthday, which was in November, we decided to do something in December because I wanted to experience a winter in Helsinki in Finland. So yeah, so we just arrived with MS Gabriel ship, and yeah, so we just put our stuff in the luggage room because we're too early to check in, and now we're going to get ourselves the 24-hour Helsinki card. With that card, I think we should be able to use it on the buses and all the museums for 24 hours. So Frederick is gonna get that now, and then we will go and explore Helsinki in the winter. So yeah, so if you're new to my channel, my name is Sasha and my husband is Buddy Tail getting the cards. Welcome to Lindex channel. So let's jump right into it. Did you wash your hand with the snow? So we'll go in and see what they have inside the market. We've been here actually before in the summer,